Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to delete a message within a conversation on the Signal app. This is useful if you have sent a message by mistake and you want to delete it as soon as possible. So open the Signal app on your phone. Now go to a conversation where you want to delete the message from. Long press on a message that you would like to delete. This could be messages, attachments, or photos. Now you'll see a bar appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the bin icon and then you'll be presented with one or two options. Delete for me or delete for everyone. It all depends if the message has been read or not by the other person. In this case, since the message was read by the other person, I only have the option to delete it for me. In this next scenario, we get two options: delete for me and delete for everyone. Since the other person has not read the message, we can press delete for everyone, which will then delete the message from both sides. And there you go, that is how to delete a message within a conversation on the Signal app. Hope you found this useful. As always, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more social media videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.